Welcome to Create With Us, where we share ways to use Youngevity photo products.
Hi, today we're going to work with mugs and create our own design. We're going to start with a blank mug and we're going to name this Sprinkle Happiness and then click on Continue. Then it's going to start your project for you in Studio, and first of all it's going to show you the design guides. Now this is important, especially where the side of the mug is located, but you can turn those off and on. We're going to go into the art collections and type Sprinkle Happiness. This is going to bring up a great quote to use with this. I'm going to place it and I'm going to turn the design guide back on so I can make sure it's in the side of the mug. And if you want it specifically in the middle, then you can use the layout and center it top and bottom, left and right. Go back to the art collection, type in shapes, and we're going to use this square to make a sprinkle. Okay, there's lots of different shapes in there. Now you can type in the exact size that you want, or you can use the handles to resize it. I'm going to use the exact size, but then in a minute you're going to notice that, well, it moved it way to the top and it's hard to reposition that. So I do have to widen it back out again. Even zooming in, I couldn't get it quite large enough, but it's easy to size it back down to the width I want. Now I want to replicate, I'm going to make some round corners on this first before I replicate it. So I'm showing you the round corners option, zoom in so you can really see what you're going to get. Now I'm going to replicate this by copying it and then pasting it multiple times. And it's just going to drop those on top of each other. So every now and then I'm going to move them around so I see how many I have and how many more I might want to create. So again, just edit, paste, get multiple copies of those. Once you're all done, then you're going to arrange how they're positioned by using the rotation. This is when you drop sprinkles out, they're not all standing upright. You want them to be looking like they're actually sprinkles that you dropped onto your mug. So use the rotation and move them to the position you would like them to be, and decide if you have the right balance. And I decided I needed a couple more over on this side, so I pasted a few more and we're ready to go. Now I'm going to color these. So I'm going to go to Effects and Fill Color and choose the color I want. Once I have that, I'm going to apply that to some others by choosing Copy, then Paste Special, Paste Format. And it applies any formatting, which in this case is the color, to those ones I selected. I'm going to repeat this process for all of these sprinkles by selecting the color, then copying, then paste special, paste formatting. You can do as many colors as you would like. You can stick to just a couple, whatever floats your boat for your sprinkle colors. Now when I get this all done, I decided I actually wanted a few more of those teals, so I'm going to copy and paste a couple of those and put them over on this side and reposition everything. When I'm done, I click Save. When I'm sure I have it the way I want, I can publish it. It is going to ask me to verify it's correct, and then I can add it to cart. That's how easy it is to create this. Have fun creating.